Hello everyone, this is JC, and in today's video I'm going to present the project bike. This is the reveal. So for those of you that are not following me on social media like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, I have been digging around a enduro project or off-road project. And I came up with something. I bought something that I'm going to be rebuilding. If you want to know what it is, just stay tuned. The bike is the following one. It's a DRC 400. I bought this bike on Sunday, and yeah, I'm gonna give you a closer look. There is a sad story with the bike. The main reason is because this bike was at some point it was left in the sun, so as you can see, all the cover of the actual seat is completely destroyed. It looks like the previous owner, the actual previous owner, left this bike in the sun for quite a while, so it looks like it was a tourist. He brought it from England and he left it in an apartment in the sun for quite a long time, and then a few years later, a guy that was doing some work in that apartment, he found the bike, or he saw the bike, and he asked to the owner, and the owner, instead of giving him some money for for the labor, he gave him the bike. So this guy decided to sell it really cheap. That's why I bought it. I don't know if you can see it here. Let me see if I can turn the lights. Not really, this doesn't work either. Anyway, but the bike have 9,000, you can see that, you can see it there. It's 9,000 kilometers total. It have some, I don't know why they painted this with this awful color, because the DRC have a really nice blue similar to the Yamaha one. What else? So we have some tires. I think these are some dual sport tire or trail tires. And in the front it have some motocross tire, so this is not really the kind of tire that you want to use in the highway. But anyway, I did some I wanted to see the actual top speed of this bike, so I took it for a spin right before coming here to the trail, and it did 120 kilometers per hour, but that was the top. What else? Let me see. I'm just going to take the seat off because this is part of the reveal. I took the screws from here and from here, and I proceeded to remove the seat. Here looks brand new, nothing to say about it. The actual seat looks brand new. Well, the foam inside is quite old and shitty, but well, anyway. Something I have noticed is like there are some paints here. Someone painted in white, even if it's a white cover. But I imagine that the plastic was completely, destroyed by the sun. Okay, the first surprise. This is not really an air filter, and I don't know if you can see it there, but it's oil coming from there, engine oil. Not a good sign. Maybe someone decided to spray some oil here, you know, like if you were doing in a Cayenne filter. The back shock looks brand new. As you can see here, there is not really rust or anything. That's why I got it. Nothing, no bended radiator. The radiator it's perfect. The radiator plastic are perfect. Well, you can see here, I don't know if you are able to see there, but they are completely destroyed by the sun. The gaiters, completely worn by the sun. Let's see this side. From here I can see that the surface have been painted, something I might need to take care of. Here as well, this is not the original color, no stickers, no anything. This is the actual original color, so this one is just like something that someone came up with. You see, this is the real color, not this one. From this side, no rust, nothing. Hose looks new. Brake pedal, everything looks new. I'm gonna take this off because I want to see the battery. This side looks okay. I thought here was the battery, but I was mistaken. It's actually the other side of the air filter box. This is the shock absorber. Looks good. Looks like someone giving a small hit around here. Nothing serious. Original pipe, Suzuki original pipe, looks great. Sounds, it's okay. It's not the best. This kind of so here is the battery. Looks like a new battery. The bike runs great. As I mentioned before, have battery. Okay, well, they have some clutch mechanism. It started like brand new. Something I noticed this morning was the choke. The choke doesn't work that well. It doesn't work. Or maybe it's the jettings inside that they are not properly tuned. I think the minimum is a little low, and that might be the reason why it's stalled. But anyway, not a big deal. Here you can see the awfulness that someone did here. They spray painted this. It was disgusting. But anyway, it's a project bike. So, general impressions about the bike. The bike runs great. I really like it. I know that there's people that is traveling around the world with this kind of bike. I do not feel comfortable on a highway with it. Maybe it's because I'm used to the Yamaha that I have at home. Talking about the Yamaha, I have some updates coming onto the channel for the Yamaha owners, especially for the Xt660 owners. My bike is running without any brakes. Looks similar to this one. This one doesn't have any kind of brake either. However, I'm planning to do the whole brakes for for the Yamaha Xt660. The two front pads and the rear disc plus the rear pads. That is a video coming up in the future. And then it also have a problem with the neutral. So currently the main problem is like the bike doesn't know when it's neutral or anything, so it's the neutral switch. It's broken, and yeah, and I'm gonna fix it. That's another video that will come on the channel. So I'm gonna hit the trails now. Wish me luck, and I hope to see you guys later. Please follow me on my social network accounts like Facebook, Twitter, and follow the channel. So until next time, ride safe.